To set up a product, you're simply going to go to the catalog tab and click on products, and then you're going to be taken to the product interface. And if you have a bunch of products here, you'll see them below, but if you don't, this is what you'll see. So set up the first one, you click on insert, and you're simply going to be taken to the general tab of the products, and you'll fill out all this information, then click the next tab over and fill out information. Let's do one. Let's just say that you're going to be selling Nike shirts, and maybe the Nike product is Nike, I don't even know if there's such a product, but 280 50/50 shirt. So I'm going to put that in there, and you're probably going to want to select all of that and put that in your meta description, maybe a little bit more information. This is what shows up in the search engines when you search on Google, and also copy that to your keyword. And here you have an opportunity to put more information about your product. This is what's going to be seen on your product page, and you're probably going to want to at least put the title of it, but and talk about it. But I'm not going to do that here, but that's something you do for each of your products. And most people don't use the product tag for anything, but now we're going to go over here to data. If there's a model number, like say it says N280, and you're going to do that, then you're going to come over here and put in the price. Let's say the price is $15, and of course it's going to be taxable. And you can also put in the minimum quantity that someone can order. If you leave that, just leave the 1 in there, it's going to be a minimum of 1. You're also going to want to probably put in the quantity that you have in stock. Let's say that you have an unlimited amount of stock. Just put in a bunch of numbers here, because every time someone buys, this will be depleted by 1. And you can decide whether or not it does even subtract stock. If you put no here, that won't happen. You don't have to fill that in, but maybe you need to do that. And then you can have a status here. But as well, you might want to put in, if it's obviously almost everything's going to require shipping unless you're delivering a digital product, and you want to leave that yes. The SEO keyword is really the URL that you're going to be using for that particular product. That's going to be like the name of your store.com/ and the address on the internet. So we recommend putting in something like Nike 280. You don't put any special characters in here. Try to leave it all lowercase, but if it's a shirt, Nike 280 shirt, something like that. Just be very descriptive of how someone might be on the internet looking for your shirt. Here you're going to browse the internet or browse your computer and put in the image of the product, the main image, and if you don't do anything else, it'll be available right away. You can also put in the weight and everything if you need to. That would be in case there's certain weights for shipping that you have to worry about. Most people are going to leave that blank. And then you're going to come over here and you're going to select the category, the manufacturer, and start typing for the category. We'll talk about categories in another video, and also we'll talk about some of these other tabs in another video. Now you do have the option to put something on special. So remember that product was $15, and if you want to have a special price, maybe it's only $12, you can put it there. And if you leave these blank, it'll automatically be just a special forever, but you could put a starting date and an ending date, and after you're done you can click save. But here you're able to actually assign a special, and you'll see that on the front end your customers will see the $15 price with the strike through, and then see the $12 price. Here you can put in more images that relate to that product. Sometimes products have a main image and maybe they have 5 or 6 other images that describe the product, and you can do that. And that's pretty much it. That's the easy version of putting in a product.